Hey everyone, if your iPhone screen suddenly turns green or flashes green, don't panic. Let's try a quick fix first. If that won't help, we can try figure out what to do next and how to back up your iPhone. Let's go. First up is a force restart. Sometimes a green screen is just a temporary glitch that a force restart can fix. Just press and release the volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If that didn't help, it may be due to iPhone screen's degrade issue, especially on iPhone 13 models. If you've dropped it, or it's been exposed to water, the screen or internal parts might be damaged. So if restarting didn't work, here's how to find a reliable repair shop near you. Try calling Apple Support or using the Apple Support app to find authorized spots. A green screen could be due to a hardware defect, which may still qualify for a free repair, even out of warranty. Sometimes, Best Buy and big malls have repair locations too. You can try scheduling an appointment with a nearby repair shop. For a cheaper option, just search repair on your Maps app, but remember to ask around the neighborhood or check review sites like Yelp to find a reliable shop. These options will help you find a reliable repair shop for your iPhone. Also, before heading to the repair shop, it's smart to back up your data just in case. You can plug your iPhone into a computer, and if it's detected, you can use iTunes on Windows or Finder on Mac to create a backup. iTunes may require you to enter a password on your phone. Try entering your password on the green screen and hope for luck. So, that's how to troubleshoot a green screen on your iPhone 13. Try restarting, back up if you can, and if the issue persists, it's likely a repair job. Hope this helps and good luck.